Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This will be Ryzen 5 1600 along with RX570 build. I will be taking you through all the components and their pricing which I'm going to use in this video. Also, all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. If in case you wish to check the latest price, so you can click on the description box below and also you can purchase it from there. We're building this PC for one of our customers from Assam, Tinsukia, which is near Guwahati. So let me take you through the components which I'm going to use in this build. Starting with the processor, this is Ryzen 5 1600 and this is available for 11,800 rupees. And for the motherboard, we have got a motherboard from Asus. This is B450MK, available for 7,000 rupees and comes with 2 RAM slot and a brand from Asus. And if in case you spend the same amount, which is 7,000 for MSI, you get a B450M Pro VDH Plus. This comes with 4 RAM slot and definitely at same price, this makes sense. Also, we have a motherboard from Gigabyte B450M DS3H. This is available for 6,200 again with 4 RAM slot. This is one of a great motherboard. I will also be doing a dedicated video about this motherboard. If in case I do it, I will share the link in the description box below. You can check the dedicated video for this motherboard. 6,200 strongly recommended, and yeah, it does support RGB as well. So if in case you're doing an RGB build, this motherboard will let you do the RGB thing. So yeah, this is for 6,200. But for this PC, we are using the Asus B450MK with 2 RAM slots for 7,000. And for the graphic card, we have got Asus RX570. This is 4GB version, ROG Strix, available for 13,999 rupees. Also, you get a 8GB version from MSI just for 16,000 rupees. But that's not a Strix or ROG. That's a simple plain version from MSI, which is MSI RX570 Armor for 8GB 16,000. So for this build, we will be going with RX570 for 13,999 rupees and the 4GB version ROG Strix. For RAM, we have got Corsair Vengeance DDR4. This is 3000 MHz, 8GB each, so it's 16GB memory, and the price is 3,650 rupees each RAM, so approx 7,300. SSD is very important for a PC, and I strongly recommend to put an SSD. At least you should go for 120GB SSD if in case you don't want to spend money on SSD. The SSD will cost you just 1,600 rupees, which is 120GB. And yeah, that would do the job perfectly well to install the Windows and a bit of games and softwares that would really speed up your computer. So SSD is strongly recommended. If in case you have more budget, go for 240GB or higher version, or maybe a Samsung 860, 970, that is better. But as we're tight on budget, we'll stick to a 120GB SSD, and that's from Kingston for just 1,600 rupees. 120GB SSD will not be sufficient to keep our data. For more storage, we have got Seagate 1TB Barracuda hard drive. This is available for 3,050 rupees. And for the power supply, we have got Corsair VS550. This is available for 3,250 rupees. It comes with 5-year warranty and does the job perfectly well. And this would be sufficient for this build. So 3,250 rupees for this power supply. And a very important thing, genuine Windows. Of course, you should not use a pirated, cracked version of Windows that really slows down your PC. Windows 10 is really available cheap on our website techmartunbox.com. I'll share the link in the description box below, so you can get a Windows just for 1,000 bucks. And yeah, 1,000 rupees is really cheap. That's original Windows. So go ahead and get one for you. So also we'll be using original Windows for this build. It really does help to speed up your PC. And of course, you don't compromise on security. So that's about the component details and their pricing. So let's just go ahead and assemble the PC. The CPU fan comes with pre-applied thermal paste. You don't have to add additional thermal paste. This will do the job perfectly well. Alright, so the PC assembly is done and it is performing absolutely fine. This is being shipped to Tinsukia, Assam, which is near Guwahati, and it is for 54,000 rupees. Also, I have installed Windows 10, which is a genuine key, just for 999 rupees, and that's the link is in the description box below. You can also buy a key for yourself at just 999 rupees. Adding a key really makes sense because if in case you check your PC performance prior to adding the key, which is a non-genuine window, and if in case you compare the performance between a genuine Windows, it does give you a bit difference, and the CPU uses does decreases due to genuine Windows. Alright, that's about the video for this PC. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Do follow me on Instagram for latest update. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video.